Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn about the in and not in operators. These powerful tools allow you to filter your data efficiently by matching or excluding specific sets of values. So let's get started. In SQL, the in and not in operators are used to filter results based on a list of specified values. The in operator is used to specify multiple values in a where clause. It allows you to test if a value is present in a set of values. A not in operator. The not in operator is used to exclude rows that match values in a specified list. Now, let's look at an example. Suppose you have this table called employee table, which has the following columns ID, name, and department. You want to display the employees who have their IDs as 2, 3, or 4. So we'll write select star from employee where ID in, and then we'll create a list with the IDs that we want to search for, that is 2, 3, and 4. So we'll write 2, 3, 4 separated by a comma. Now when we run it, we'll get the following result. Now let's try this in DB Fiddle. In this example, we have a table called employees with the following columns: employee ID, first name, last name, and department. Now, if you want to find the employees who work in the HR, sales, or IT department, just after employees, write where to filter data. Now, which column we want to filter is the department column. So write department in. Now, let's create a list of HR, sales, and IT because we want to find the employees who are working in these departments. HR, sales, and IT. Now, if we run it, we get to see that we are able to see the employees who work in HR, sales, or IT department. Now, if you want to retrieve the employees who do not work in HR, sales, or IT department, just before in, write not. And now if you run it, it will give you the list of all the employees who do not work in the HR, sales, or IT department. So that's how you can use in and not in operator in SQL. To sum up, the in operator in SQL lets you filter results by matching any value in the list, while not in excludes those values. They simplify complex queries and make data retrieval more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.